Could having your website on Wix actually be sabotaging your chances of showing up in Google search? I've talked about SEO on this channel. I've talked about Wix a few times on this channel, but today I want to dive into Wix SEO specifically and see how it measures up. So first, let's dive into some of the good parts of Wix's SEO. First of all, they have made a ton of advances in the last few years. Up until about 2015, 2016, Wix had a really bad reputation for SEO. There were a lot of problems, but they have made a lot of advances in the last few years. They've hired some SEO advisors and team members to really push the platform forward. So in that sense, a lot of the things that you hear about Wix might actually be outdated information because they've made a lot of changes. I will say one of the best parts of Wix is that it is user-friendly. It's easy to navigate, and the SEO settings and whatnot are pretty easy to navigate, even if you are not a web designer. You're just a business owner trying to get your website figured out and set up. It's not too difficult to find that and optimize if you know how to optimize, if you know about SEO. Wix is also mobile friendly-ish, which is a good thing. So I say ish because they have the mobile editor. So you do usually have to edit your website in the desktop view and then switch to mobile and make adjustments as needed to make sure it truly does look good on mobile, unless you're using the new Editor X, and then that is more responsive. But either way, you can make sure your website looks good on mobile, which is important from Google's standpoint. Wix also gives you an SEO checklist. So they do have a few resources to help you optimize your website, make sure you have optimized everything. They don't tell you if you've optimized it well, which, to be fair, neither do WordPress or Squarespace. They don't have little minions and robots that say, yes, this is correct, you're doing it well. They just have plugins or whatever that, similar to Wix, say, yes, you have filled in these settings, you have checked these boxes, so in theory, your website is optimized. But now let's talk about a few of the shortcomings with Wix and its SEO capabilities. Being a self-hosted platform, it is difficult to integrate third-party plugins or softwares, or there's just not that option. Whereas WordPress, obviously you have endless plugins, other softwares. It's not impossible to integrate things with Wix. It is just a little bit more complicated sometimes, or some softwares don't have that built-in integration. All that to say, I do know that a lot of Wix users are DIYers and may not even want to use those third-party plugins or tools. And so even if they were on WordPress, they still might not use them. But it is something to consider. Speed is also an issue on Wix, but it's because of the page bloat, the code bloat from being a page builder platform, which can also happen on WordPress if you're using a page builder theme or page builder plugin. So this isn't just a Wix problem, but I will say for WordPress users, they do have the option to, have better hosts that have better, speed and backend settings. There's also plugins that you can use to help speed up websites, whereas with Wix, you don't really have that option to kind of help with the page bloat. So while it's not just a Wix problem, WordPress does have solutions to help alleviate that problem. Wix does have a lot of heading options within the text editor, but they limit it inside Wix blog posts, which is odd because while most people probably do only use headings 2 and 3, it would be nice from an SEO standpoint to have the ability to add headings 4, 5, and 6 like they do on pages and such. So that is a little bit of a disadvantage. Again, some DIYers may not know that they can or should use some of those lower headings if they're not familiar with SEO and formatting, but I think it's something that would be better to at least give users that option. Another problem is that when you upload a JPEG or PNG to Wix, they actually change the file name, which is part of SEO when it comes to optimizing your images. So I don't love that Wix changes that on the users. You can add alt text, so like you're not completely losing all image optimization options, but it's not great that they just changed the file name. Overall, from an SEO standpoint, Wix is perfectly capable. I think it lacks some advanced functionality. I think there's a lot of room for improvement, but no, you're not being sabotaged. You still have a fairly good chance of showing up in Google if you're on Wix. I do think it would be good to audit your website from an SEO standpoint, look at the technical SEO, even work with an SEO strategist or coach to make sure you are optimizing it correctly. If you're interested in that, you can check out my links below to see how you can work with me. If you enjoyed this video, be sure and give it a thumbs up, and I will see y'all next time.